On behalf of the 16 doctors and over 100 staff members of Harvard Eye Associates and Alicia Surgery Center, and following the direction of the California Governor and the Orange County Health Authority, I'm really pleased to tell you that we're back and open to take care of patients. Our office is taking great care to protect you and your loved ones from COVID-19, and this video will help you to understand what to expect when you come to see us. First, you may receive a communication from your doctor before your visit. Please review that information carefully and follow the instructions it contains. It's for your safety. When you come in for a visit, please arrive no earlier than 10 minutes before your scheduled appointment time. Everyone who enters one of our offices will have their temperature checked and answer questions about their health history. We're doing this for our own staff members and doctors as well. Everyone must also bring a mask. A homemade cloth face covering or scarf will work fine. And we'll wear masks and gloves as well. Please bring your mobile phone as a way to communicate on site if needed. We love seeing your family members, but it's not safe right now to have extra people in the office. Please come alone unless you need a single family member to provide physical or communication assistance. We've reduced the number of patients we're seeing, and we've spread out the chairs in our lobbies to allow social distancing. You'll find hand sanitizer readily available, and we'll be using it and washing our hands quite frequently. Public areas will be cleaned and sanitized several times throughout the day, and exam rooms before and after every single patient. Please realize there's risk in coming to any medical facility right now, but there's also risk in staying home when you need your eyes taken care of. We're giving you our best effort to minimize your risks in our office, so we really appreciate your cooperating. The world is changing a lot right now, but our practice has been here in Orange County since 1974. Every one of us considers it a true privilege to take care of our patients, whom we think of not just as our neighbors and friends, but as our extended family. Nothing is more important to you than your vision, and nothing is more important to us than honoring your trust by treating you as we would our loved ones. Thank you sincerely for giving us that trust. We can't wait to see you again.